So I recently showed you guys my 7-year-old laptop, which was very old but it was still usable. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to clean up your old laptop's vents to prevent heating issues. Do keep in mind different models will have different procedures, however the process for laptops with the same form factor as mine will be similar. Alright, so without further delay, let's get started. First things first, let's make sure that we disconnect it from a power source and let's remove the battery. After that, I would recommend to press and hold the power button for 20 seconds to drain all the current in the components. Next, let's remove all the screws on the back. Now I'm going to flip the laptop and take off the keyboard. Then 3 more screws to go. Let's also remove all the visible connections that might come in the way while we try to take off the upper part of the chassis. Next, let's pry open the upper part of the casing. This process requires some patience as this may take time. And here we are. Let's remove the fan now and clean things up. Putting stuff back together is just the opposite of taking it off. I'll be doing this off camera just to save some time. So here we go guys, this is a short process that you can try to clean up your laptop's vents and prevent heating issues. It is not necessary to do it every now and then, however, doing this in 3 to 4 years would be a good thing. Anyways guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys found it useful. Stay tuned for more videos. Goodbye.